Today, I'll show you how to add another ad group in Google Ads. Ad groups help you organize ads and keywords inside a campaign. Each ad group should focus on one clear theme, product, service, or audience. This makes your ads more relevant and helps Google match them with the right searches. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. From the left menu, click Campaigns. Now choose the campaign where you want to add another ad group. Make sure you select the correct campaign, because the new ad group will use that campaign's settings, such as location, language, budget, and bidding strategy. Once the campaign is open, click Ad Groups. Now click the plus button. Choose New Ad Group. Enter a clear ad group name. For example, if your campaign is for a cleaning company, you might create separate ad groups for house cleaning, office cleaning, and move-out cleaning. Next, add keywords for this ad group. Choose keywords that closely match the theme of the ad group. For example, an office cleaning ad group might include keywords like office cleaning service, commercial cleaning company, and business cleaning near me. Now create or assign ads for the ad group. Write headlines and descriptions that match the keywords and the service you are promoting. Make sure the final URL leads to the most relevant page on your website. After that, review the ad group settings. Check the keywords, ads, landing page, and any default bid settings if your campaign uses manual bidding. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new ad group is now added to the campaign. After it starts running, monitor its clicks, cost, conversions, and search terms. And that's it. You've successfully added another ad group in Google Ads. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.